Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about a left outer join. What is meant by left outer join? Simple examples of left outer join. Before going to the left outer join, and already told that is a join operations, joins in SQL. That is a different types of joins. And what is here? Two different types of joins. Inner join, outer join, outer join. Inner join, again different types of things. First one is the cross product. Second one is the natural join. Third one is the conditional join. Cross product, natural join, conditional join, equi-join, and then self-join, and then again outer join can be divided into different types of things. Outer join is an extension of joins. What is the purpose of outer join? To find the missing the information is nothing but that is a outer join. Outer join, again three different types of things. That is a left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Right, inner join, self join already is over. Cross product is over. Natural join is over. Conditional join is over. Equi-join is also over. That is the left part is over. In examination point of view or gate point of view or UGC NET point of view, joins plays a very important role. What is meant by join? Keep in your mind. Join is nothing but that is a natural join, or join is equal to cross product plus condition. Keep in your mind, cross product plus condition is nothing but join operation, or common columns in common values is nothing but join operation. Combining two or more tables is nothing but join operation. That is the left part is over. Whereas in the left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. In this class, we will discuss about the left outer join. Clear? Left outer join. What is meant by left outer join? Take all tuples in the left relation that did not match with any tuple in the right relation is nothing but left outer join. Observe the simple example, Venn diagrammatical representation, Venn diagram. This is the, A, this is B, and what is the here? Observe here, this is a common columns in common values is nothing but that is a, this is the an example of join operation, right? Whereas in the left outer join, same like that is a and B are the two sides. Observe here, A and B are the two sides, and what is the here? You represent like that only. Why? Because left outer join take all tuples from the left relation that did not match any tuple in the right relation is nothing but left outer join. That is an example, Venn diagrammatical representation. That is a left outer join. Whereas the right outer join, observe here, right outer join, diagrammatical representation. The right outer join is defined as take all tuples in the right relation that did not match in the left relation, that did not match any tuple in the left relation is nothing but right outer join. This is the right outer join. This is the left outer join. Okay, that is the left outer join, right outer join. Whereas in the full outer join, the combination of left outer join and right outer join is nothing but full outer join. That is a diagrammatical representation like that only. Diagrammatical representation, I mean full outer join, the combination of left outer join and right outer join is nothing but full outer join. Full outer join. That is a left outer join and then right outer join, full outer join. Observe the example. We will see one by one. That is the first left outer join example. Before going to the left outer join, that is what is the first one is the employee table. Here FT works. Employee table having employee name, employee street, employee city. Whereas in the department table having FT works, that is a E name and then branch name and then salary. Clear? Before going to the left outer join, observe here what is meant by join. Join operation is nothing but common columns. What is the common column here? Employee table, employee name. Whereas in the FT works table, employee name is a common. Employee name is a common in two tables. That's why common values in common columns is nothing but join operation. Observe here what is that output? A simple output of join operation, employee name and then street and then next city and then next branch name and the next salary. Keep in your mind, joins plays a very important role. Employee name, street, city. Next one is the here branch name and salary. Why? Because two times employee name is there. You take one time. Why? Because common column. Okay. What is that here? Common columns in common values. What is a common column? Employee name is a common. What are the values of the here? Coate. Common values. Here rabbit, common values. Here Williams is a common columns. But observe here Smith did not match with the gate. That's why what is the common here? Coate. In first table employee table as well as that is the second table FT works and then rabbit in employee table. Here that is a rabbit in FT works. Williams in employee table as well as Williams in FT works. That is a common column in common values is nothing but join operation. What is the output? First one is the coate. What is the street? Tune. What is the city? Hollywood. Branch name. What is the branch name? Mesa. Salary 1500. And whereas the second one rabbit is a common. That's why here employee name, second employee name is the rabbit. And what is the street here? Tunnel. What is city? Carrotville. Branch name Mesa 1300. Salary 1300. What is the second common value in common columns? And third Williams. Right, third one is the Williams. What is that here? Street? Seaview. And then city? Settle. What is that here? Branch name? Redmond. Branch name is the Redmond. And what is that salary? 1500. Why? Because outer join is an extension of join. First, what is meant by join? That is a natural join operation. What is the common columns in common values is nothing but join operation. This is the natural join operation. Combining two or more tables. Join operation is nothing but what is that? Cross product plus some condition. And what is that here? Output. Here output is the like that only. What is SQL query? SQL query is the select star from how many tables? Two tables. Employee, comma, FT works. But internal operation is a cross product. What is a cross product? I think you are familiar that employee table that is a N and whereas in the FT works M. And what is the cross product? N by M. What is the N is the how many tuples? That is a 4. FT works also 4. 4 into 4, 16 tuples. But common values we can get that is a among 14 tuples we can get that is a 3 tuples only. That's from EMP comma FT works where where emp dot, what is a common column? E name, that is employee name is equal to ft works dot e name semicolon and then enter. We can get the output in SQL, that is like that only. This is a join operation. Clear, combining two tables, that is like natural join operation, cross product plus condition. Okay, now don't confuse common column in common values is nothing but join operation. What is a common column? Employee name is a common. Observe here, employee name, street, city. Here employee name, branch, salary. What is a common column? Employee name is a common. What are the common values? Coed common, rabbit is common. Williams is common, but Smith he is there, but here Smith is not there. Smith and Gates are different values. That's why we matching the values, you can get the output. That is a natural join, right? That is a left outer join. What is meant by a left outer join? Take the all values from the left relation. What is the left relation? Observe here, employee name, street, city. Right, first one is the employee name, street, employee name, employee street, and then city, branch name, salary, Observe here, that is the same two tables. Here employee and then ft works, and what is here? Employee name, street, city, branch name, and then salary. That is a employee name, street, city, branch name, salary. What is according to our definition? Left outer join takes all tuples in left relation that did not match any tuple in the right relation is nothing but what? Left outer join. Observe here two tables. What is that? Coed is common. Rabbit is common. Williams is common. First you write that is a three tuples, same like that only. Coed, Toon, Hollywood, Mesa. Observe here, that is the same things. You write that is a same like that only. First one same, second one same, and then third one same. Coed common. Rabbit common. Williams is common. What is that? Smith is not common. That's why you write that is a Smith. Smith. And what is that? Revolves. Smith revolves. Death value. Why? Because left outer join take all tuples in the left relation that did not match. Here we won't match. Why? Because Smith, here Gates. That's why what is that output? Branch name. We fill that is a null. Null values. This is the left outer join. What is meant by left outer join? Once again I will explain. Left outer join takes all tuples in the left relation that did not match any tuple in the right relation. Why? Because here Smith did not match with the right relation. That's why Smith resolves death value. Simply we can write as Smith resolve death value. And whereas in the match in the right relation, that's why you write that is a null. Null. Simply we can write as null. This is nothing but left outer join. Clear? But join operation is the only common columns in common values. First three tuples, first three rows is a join operation combining two tables. Whereas in the left outer join, same like join operation. But what is the difference here? Matching the values you fill first and then did not match with the right relation. Smith did not match with the right relation. That's why you write left relation and then add the null values or append the null values. Is nothing but left outer join. What is syntax? Observe here, syntax is a select ename comma street comma city from emp. Emp is the employee table left relation, left outer join. ft works on emp.ename equal to ftworks.ename. We can get the output. What is that output? Here the output is like that only by using structured query language. Okay, na? Don't confuse. Join is the common columns in common values, whereas in the left outer join, same like join operation, but did not match with the right relation. We fill with what is the null values. Why you can go for the outer join? missing the information. That is the purpose of outer join, to find the missing values or missing information. Okay, that is the left outer join. Here simple one gate point of view question. Observe here. Gate 1999. Consider the set of relations employee table having employee number, department number, employee name, salary. Whereas the department table having department number, department name, location. Find all employees' names whose work in departments located at Calcutta and whose salary is greater than 50,000. That is a given SQL query in GATE 1999. That is a 2 marks question, theory question. And what is the here? Find all employee names. Right? What is the basic structure of SQL? I think you are familiar that basic structure of SQL. Select A1 comma A2 dash dash AM. From R1 R2 dash dash RM where condition or P predicate where condition. That is a basic structure of SQL. Okay, clear? What is the first one? Select. What you find? Select employee names. Right? Observe here employee names. That is a EA name. Select E name. But what is the query? Find all employee names whose work in department. That's why we choose department table. One is the employee table, another one is the department table. That's why we can go for the join operation. Okay. And what is the department? Located at Calcutta and whose salary is greater than 15,000. Select employee name from how many relations? That is a 2 relation. Relation is nothing but table. Table is nothing but is in the form of rows and columns. Right? That is a from EMP comma department. What is a from EMP comma department? Internal operation is a cross product. Internal operation is a cross product. I think you are familiar with that cross product. Right? Condition. Cross product plus condition is nothing but what? Join operation. Right? That where EMP dot. What is the common columns in common values? Observe here. This is the employee schema and then department schema. What are the common here? Department number in employee table, department number. Department table is also department number is there. That is a common columns. Okay. Common columns in common values is nothing but join operation. That's why we choose. That is a where EMP dot department number. EMP dot department number is equal to department dot department number. Department number. What is the first? These two is nothing but internal operation is a cross product. And what is the here? Condition. What is the condition? Where EMP dot department number equal to department dot department number and what is that? And located at Calcutta. What is the Calcutta here in department table? Location. And location is equal to Calcutta. Location equal to Calcutta. And what is the here? And whose salary is greater than 15,000. That is a and salary. Salary is greater than 50,000. Salary is greater than 50,000. Okay, that is how we can get employee names. You can get what is that? Employee name. Okay, this is the GATE 1999. That is a 2 marks question. That is a theory bit. Okay, what is the basic structure? Select A1, A2, A3 dash dash AM. A1, A2, A3 dash dash AM are the attributes or columns. Attributes or columns. From R1, R2, R3 dash dash RM is the relation or tables. Observe here, employee name is the attribute. Here select E name. What is E name? Employee table. That's why we choose EMP dot E name. Why? Because 2 tables is there. EMP dot E name. Here department table having department number, D name and then location. That's why select EMP dot E name from EMP comma department where EMP dot department number equal to department dot department number and location equal to Calcutta and salary equal to greater than 15,000. Okay. And what is here? What is a left outer join? Left outer join is an extension of joins. And what are the different types of joins? Inner join, outer join. Inner join is the self join, cross product, natural join, conditional join, equi join, and then outer join is an extension of join. What is the purpose of outer join? To find the missing information. Here left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Observe here, that is the, first one is a join operation. Second one is a, first one is a, what is the first one is the join operation, second one is a left outer, third one is a right outer. Why? Because here common columns in common values is nothing but join operation. This is the left outer join. This is the right outer join. This is a full outer join. Full outer join. But example here, that is a two tables. One is employee table, second one is a FT works. Observe here first three. And what is here? Common columns in common values is nothing but join operation. But what is a left outer join? Left outer join is defined as take all rows in the left relation did not match any row in right relation. Is nothing but that is a left outer join. Left outer join we add, that is a does not match with the right relation. Smith did not match with the right relation Gates. That's why Smith revolver death value. Right relation padding or adding null values is nothing but left outer join. This is the output of left outer join. Left outer join. Okay, that is the syntax is a left outer join. SQL syntax like that only. Here what is the employee name, street, and then city, and then branch name, and then salary. Okay, this is an example of left outer join. Next class, and what is meant by right outer join and what is meant by full outer join, that we will see in the next class. Thank you.